obviously behind me, I got into an area that hasn't been hit in quite some time, and I don't think I've ever actually seen anybody actually go down there and do it. So I was actually quite impressed with the capabilities it had on the slope, considering how wet it was. It pretty much just mulched and chopped everything up to pretty much just a pulp, and I am actually very impressed with it and how it handled. This Rover was able to actually go over all of it, take care of it all, run over any size tree that it came up on. Another feature I also really like about this machine is you can have multiple settings on your deck height. You can change it from 6 to 3 inches, which I think is a very nice capability, which also works out because I also am an avid deer hunter, so I like to go out in the woods and cut trail all the time, which this would be a perfect machine for.